Hi everybody, and welcome to MEDT 34.1. You may have already visited the orientation module where you will find lots of introductory materials and things to do to get started with the semester. But I wanted to let you know about some updates that I made today. But first, before I do that, I need to tell you something about YouTube videos, if you didn't know this already. Most of my videos, since sometime in the spring I started doing this, all my videos are on YouTube now, and I create them in the highest quality I can, except for these talking head videos like this where you see my head talking at you. But all the ones where I'm showing you how to do stuff on the computer, those are made in a high quality. And so what you can do is, if you look at the bottom right, you'll see a little cogwheel kind of like that. I'm going to show you. You want to click on that and actually select the highest quality, the highest number. So go up, and like if you see 720p or 480p, those are higher quality options than the default. So always up the quality so that you can see what I'm showing you better. And then the other thing you can do so you can see is in the lower right hand corner near this quality cogwheel, you'll see this kind of symbol, and I'm going to show you again, and that will give you full screen. So you can have high quality and full screen, you can really see everything. So just want to say that if you are like, gosh, she makes these videos, and they'd be great if I could actually see them, well, that's how you can see them. So make sure you're using YouTube to its fullest effect. I made a few updates in the class today, made some changes to the course plan, and honestly they're too numerous but kind of tiny and insignificant to note on the bottom of the course plan. So if you don't mind, I'm not going to note them all down there, but I just moved. I had to get rid of one reading. I had to add some points to 2 quizzes at the very end, of the module. I added 5 points to each of those final quizzes. I added some points to the progress video journal assignments. I deleted the 3rd progress video journal assignment. I did a number of things that I don't really want to worry about too much, but those changes are reflected in the syllabus around page 9. So you'll see a revised syllabus has been uploaded into orientation module. Don't get mad at me. You don't have to reread the whole thing because nothing else has changed in it. No important details have changed except for exactly what are the assignments and exactly how much they're worth. Otherwise, pretty much everything, 99.3% of everything is in the exact same spot that it was. It mostly all is weighed the same. But I made an improvement to the class today, I think, with the progress video journal assignment. Used to, you had to do 6 of them in this class. Isn't that crazy? And now you only have to do 2, which is much more reasonable. So I'm always trying to make things more reasonable and appropriate, and that's why I had to make these changes. And I actually had 3 preps this semester, and I apologize because I worked on my biggest, hairiest, nastiest prep over the weekend. That sounds weird, but I worked on one class and it took the entire weekend, and then I was late, a little bit late on 34.1 and 24.1 today and yesterday. But I've made the changes. The class is pretty much ready to actually be completely opened up because of the work I've done today. I have a few other things that I want to do, but that's really all I wanted to let you know. There's a few changes to the course plan, so if you printed it already, reprint it, but really you don't have to print it. It's a dynamic document that really you should just click on and check out. But if you do want to print it, because that is handy, and you want to mark stuff off, I would suggest you go ahead and reprint that course plan. Maybe don't worry about the syllabus too much because the part that got changed in the syllabus is reflected in the course plan. So, and the course plan is accurate. So, welcome to the class, and I look forward to meeting you this week in the introductory discussion board.